Good morning, guys. Well, this is the latest variation on my spring-powered car. This thing. Following a suggestion by one of my viewers. So we'll put it together and give it a run. Well, I don't know which version number this is, but we've done quite a few different versions with this spring-powered car. We had this in there, 24-inch ruler, and we're using that as the spring with a bit of cotton attached to the top of it, and then going down to the back axle here. Dirty Plumbus, I think is his channel name, suggested, couldn't we use this sort of crossbow style? I can't get it out now. There we go. So instead of attaching to the end of it, put it crossways like a bow, so you're pulling on both ends at the same time. So I've printed another little bracket. So we'll put that on there, put the screw in there to hold it in place. Attach some cotton to it. I've put a little eyelet there so the cotton can come down and through there and then to the back axle. Otherwise it might come across at an angle and possibly foul the back wheels. So that may reduce the power a little bit, but it will save us fouling the back wheels. So I'll pull this apart. If we're lucky. Yep, it's coming apart. I've made that a bit looser this time. Might have to put a bit of glue on it or something, or a bit of tape just to stop it sliding around. Might stop up against there. About there somewhere, find the middle point, then attach some string to it. Right, I've just attached the string to the ends, put a bit of tape to stop it slipping. Wind it up. Away we go. Whether that gave us any more power than the other way round, I don't know. But I'll set the camera up and see if we can hit the camera as usual. Well, summary time. My gut feeling is there really wasn't much difference between that arrangement and the sort of fishing pole arrangement. So I don't know. It was interesting to try it. It certainly works that way round. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.